Welcome to the video tutorial number 15 on electron circuit slab using multisim. In this tutorial, we are going to see an voltage time bus generator. The input given to the voltage time bus generator is a sine waveform. The output of the voltage time bus generator viewed through the CRO by pressing this button. In the interactive mode, the output of the voltage time bus generator is like this. Input is the sinusoidal waveform. You can stop this and you can measure the output voltage level and time period. The next one is the current time bus generator. The current time bus generator, the input given to the current time bus generator, current time bus generator is a pulse of amplitude 10 volt, pulse with 0.5 millisecond, pulse due total time period of the pulses 1 millisecond. Run this using interactive mode. You can view the output through the CRO. Stop this and you can measure the current time bus generator output, amplitude level and time period. That's all about simulation of electron slab using multisim.